Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the glare. It is quite cloudy outside, so the lighting isn't the best today, and I'm so sorry for that. But today I'm going to be doing the third look in my Black Zodiac series, which is the Basilisk. So if you like to see what I do, just keep on watching. So a little info on the Basilisk is it goes from May 21st through June 20th, and it corresponds with Gemini. And the little description here says, the Basilisk commands fear. Your stare is deadly, but your bite is deadlier. You are built to harm, and you know how to torment others. In the right situation, you could be very dangerous. All you need is provocation. Those who know your true nature regard you with equal fear and respect. Those who do not will find out in the worst of ways. All right, so there's that. Okay, so I think I want to start off with my eyes today. I'm going to be going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, which is kind of, oh my god, I'm such a dork. I was gonna say it's kind of funny because I'm doing the Black Zodiac, it's called Zodiac, and let's just forget that that was ever going to be a thing. Okay, now as you can see here, I did cover my brows because I'm going to be doing some kind of face paint later. But right now, since I'm just focusing on the eyes, it's going to be a pretty simple eye look, just a pretty almost like a graphic type of look. So I'm going to go into this black shade right here, which is the Matte Airy shade. And I'm just taking this flat brush from Luxie. It's the 245 small shader brush. And I'm just going to focus that on the tip of the brush more so than anything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out where I want this. Just pretty much right up to the brow bone. And then at the outer corner, I'm going to wing it. Then I'm going to connect it. When it comes to the inner portion, I am going to bring it down the nose just a little. Like right to there. And then I'm going to connect it. Like that. So that's kind of the shape I'm going for. And now I'm just going to fill all of that in black. Okay, so for the rest of my lid, I'm just going to go in with a fluffier brush just because the other one's taken a while to use. This is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. Okay, now that that took forever and a day to fix because there was just black everywhere. Oh my goodness, I should have done my eyes first, but you know, hindsight 2020. Okay, so that's almost the eyes done. I'm going to go into the JCat Beauty Prismetal Chrome Eye Mousse in the shade Pixie Dust. And I'm going to pop some on the center portion of this like graphic type liner. I'm going to take the Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush for this. This is one of those holographic metal chrome eye mousses, so I'm hoping it'll look pretty awesome when I do this. And then I want to add more on the very direct center so that it's the most intense. Okay, so that's pretty much the eyes done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the CC Beauty Cream Paint Palette, and I'm taking the yellow shade. I was going to maybe like map it out, but I decided to just not. And I'm going to take a brush. This is from the brand iMagic Makeup. I bought a backup of this CC Beauty Cream Paint Palette the other day, and it came with this brush set. And I'm coating the brush. And what I'm going to do is grab a smaller mirror because that mirror is way huge. Let's just grab this one. And I'm going to map out, like, you'll see, areas.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Okay, now I'm going to take the City Color Contour Effects 2 palette, and I'm going to take the contour shade right here, just because I want to use the highlight, so that's why I have it sitting here. And I'm going to take a flat brush. This is from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to dip into that contour shade, like I said. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade along the outer edges of this.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the black out of this palette, and I'm going to do little designs all on the yellow, like little, almost like, you know how like when people do lava makeup and they have like little like areas? I'm going to do that with the black.
Evolution. This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Okay, now that took forever, I set all of it with the Studio Go on the makeup setting powder. Now I'm going into this highlight shade from that City Colors Contour FX 2 palette, and I'm taking my unicorn highlighting brush from Wet n Wild. I'm going to hit my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, tip of the nose, and a little under that yellow. I don't know why, but the freaking black is somehow transferring underneath my eyes. So what I'm going to do, I didn't really want to put any black right there, but I am just going to smudge just a little bit of black under my eyes with the Zodiac palette. Going to really make sure I don't get much fallout. Okay, I'm so sorry about the glare once again. I'm going to throw on a pair of the WLEEC lashes in the style F36. Let me open them real quick here. These right here, and I will be right back. Okay, my daughter's almost home again. I'm going to throw on the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Widow's Peak. Now, I picked up this Mayron Tooth FX in the shade Black. I'm going to attempt to try it. I mean, I've never used anything like this before, so I know I have to dry my teeth. I probably gotta spit out my gum, too. Okay, actually, before I do that, I do want to also do some black drips from my chin. So I'm just going to take that black cream paint one more time and do that.
This is the future. Human error.
Okay, so this is the final look. This stuff feels so weird on my teeth. I can't wait to take it off. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already or if you want to. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.